Okay, if you want to filter within Google Sheets, it's really, really easy. So for example, if you want to find only a certain student's information, so all you do is go to the column that you want to do the filtering. So for example, if I want to filter it by student's name, then I'm going to select the student name column. And then I come over here on your toolbar, there's one little thing called create a filter, and I click it and it looks like a little filter funnel. And you click that and it says heads up, you're going to edit, and I say yes, I want to do that. And then it's going to come up with this, and it makes it look a little crazy, but that's okay. I'm going to just scoot it over, and then you see this little filter button. When you select it, it will bring up options. So the first one is that you can select all or that you can clear them. So if I want to do just one student, I want to clear it. And then I'll find that student's name. So either you can just scroll down, and every student that I've taught, their name's in there. So you can see there's a lot of names in there. But say I know the name, and so I want to do River. So I select River, so it's selected, only River is selected, that's his name, and then I click OK. And then these are all of River's entries, see? Only River's lessons are coming up. So then I can go back and I can see what lessons I wrote, or my notes that I wrote, or information about that student, and that's how you filter by it. And if you want to turn that off, I take this off, or if I say I want to turn I want all the students now, then I can select all and do all, and then they'll all be there. If you want to turn your filter off, then you just select this again, and it'll turn it off. So to do it on, you click it. To turn it off, you click it, and you can filter it by, and you can do any of those. So if you want to search a lesson, a certain lesson, so here, again, click filter. Oh, there's merged ones in there. Can't do that one. That's a good note. If you have any merged cells in that column, it will not work. So I have a merged cell in there, and I know exactly the one it is. So if I went and unmerged that, then I would be able to filter by that. So don't merge your cells if you want to use filter. Also, if you have like a repeat name, so River, I don't have any repeat Rivers, but if you had a more common name like Bao Bao, you could, every time you have that student, just give them an identifier. So like Bao Bao A, or Bao Bao 5 years old, or Bao Bao something, so that you know that it's that student, so it can filter that specific student. Anyway, that's the quick and dirty, super simple. If you have any questions, please ask, and I will help how I can.